Let's cut to the chase. You're legally an adult, but your bank account screams otherwise. You hustle, but the paycheck vanishes faster than your motivation. Ramen noodles aren't a diet choice anymore. They're a survival tactic. Sound familiar? You're not failing. You're just stuck in a system that doesn't make it easy. But here's the raw truth. You can shift the needle. It won't be overnight, but these steps will add up. First, get ruthless about tracking. You can't fix what you don't see. For 1 month, track every dollar. Yes, even that $3 latte. Apps like Mint, Netflix, Amazon Prime Videos, or simple spreadsheet work. You'll spot patterns. Wait, I spend how much on subscriptions I never use? Cancel too. Boom, $30 per month saved. Small wins matter. Practical tip: use the envelope method for budgeting. Set aside a specific amount of cash for categories like food, entertainment, and transportation. When the cash runs out, no more spending in that category. It'll force you to make smarter decisions. Next, hack your income. Side hustles aren't just for influencers. Think skills you already have. Freelance gigs. Write, design, or code for a quick paycheck on platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, or Fiverr. You'd be shocked how many businesses need help, and they'll pay well for your time. 2. Delivery services. Sign up for Uber Eats, DoorDash, or Postmates. Delivering food in your spare time can earn you an extra $15 to $25 per hour, and the tips can be pretty solid too. 3. Virtual assistant. Get paid to manage someone's email, schedule, or social media. A lot of business owners or busy professionals are looking for a helping hand, and you can do this from home. 4. Online surveys or testing websites. Get paid to take surveys or test websites for companies. It's not glamorous, but $50 to $100 a month just for answering questions is a solid win. 5. Rent out your stuff. Got a car? Use websites to rent it out when you're not using it. Or, if you have an extra room, list it on Airbnb. Easy money for things you're already paying for. Practical tip: dedicate a set number of hours per week to your side hustle, whether it's 5 or 15 hours. It's easier to stay consistent if you treat it like a second job that let you monetize spare time. Even 5 hours per week at $20 per hour equals $400 per month. That's groceries covered. Upskill strategically. No, you don't need a $10,000 course. Google certificates, IT, data analytics, or Free Code Camp offer certifications employers value. Spend 1 hour daily for 3 months. Apply for higher paying roles. Knowledge equals leverage. Practical tip: focus on skills that pay well and are in demand. Data entry, coding, digital marketing, and project management are always sought after. Plus, you can learn them from home at your own pace. Slash expenses like a pro. Ditch the "I deserve this" mindset. Negotiate bills, call internet providers and say, "I'm switching unless you lower my rate." They'll cave 70% of the time. Swap branded groceries for store brands. Cook batch meals. Tiny cuts equals big savings. Practical tip: implement a no-spend day each week. That means no eating out, no unnecessary shopping, and no impulse buys. It's a simple way to reset your spending habits. Sell clutter on Facebook Marketplace. Turn old phones and things into $100 bills. Mindset shift, play the long game. You won't escape paycheck to paycheck in a week, but every $100 saved or earned builds momentum. Celebrate micro wins. Avoid comparison, social media lies. Focus on your progress. Practical tip: visualize your future self in 1 year, 5 years, 10 years. Keep that vision front and center to stay motivated through the grind. Don't just work for today, build for tomorrow. Final move: ask for more. Underpaid at work? Gather evidence of your impact, research market rates, and schedule that talk with your boss. Worst case, they say no. Best case, $5,000 more / year. Either way, you've practiced advocating for yourself, a skill that pays forever. Practical tip: before you go into your meeting, rehearse your pitch. Be confident, calm, and prepared. Focus on your accomplishments and how they've benefited the company, rather than just asking for a raise. Bottom line, you're not powerless. Start tonight. Track one expense. Cancel one subscription. Pitch one freelance client. Repeat. Money stacks when effort does. Time to get yours.